Hi everyone, welcome to Balancing Lives. I'm Kriti, I'm a numerologist. Every number is associated with a planet. Not only the date, but the day on which you are born matters a lot. The planet of that day has a lot of influence on you. In this video, I'm going to talk about people who are born on Monday. If you want to check some other day, you can find the link in the description box. Now coming on to Monday. Monday is associated with moon. In numerology, we believe that our emotions, moods, and intuitions are governed by the moon. Monday born people have these characteristics. They are intuitive, they are sensitive, they are cheerful, romantic, gorgeous, fashionable, and amazingly attractive. Yes, they are quite attractive. They have a huge fan list. The opposite sex attracts towards them easily. Their attractive personality make it easy for them to win over clients and find good business prospects. These people are humble, creative, trustworthy, good listeners, good speakers, emotionally sensitive. They decide from the heart. Rational thinking and the study of evidences are not their way of deciding things. Their emotions play a major role in their decision making. They don't do things that their heart doesn't allow. They are witty, lively, flexible, tactful, dynamic, diplomatic, enthusiastic. They're super imaginative, very creative people. They love to live in their imaginary world. But yes, at times this trait can become a bit negative for them. Sometimes they get so lost in their fantasy world that they become lazy and procrastinate in their work. Though they are quite emotional, it has been observed that when the ups and downs of life hit them, they do not remain affected by them for long. They are sincere and loyal in a relationship. They give high importance to family ties and friendships. They remain caring and sensitive to their partner's need. Because of their emotional nature, they make sacrifices for others. Now I will talk about negative traits of such people. Mood swings are frequent in them. They may argue and fight over little things. They can be jealous and possessive. They are more likely to go with the gut feeling. As a result, chances of mistakes are high. They are brainy but lack focus. They are unpredictable. Sometimes they also lack confidence. Due to flickering minds, they miss opportunities. Learning from mistakes can make a person wise. Monday is the day of Lord Shiva. Thus, they are blessed by the blessings of Lord Shiva. It has been observed that when life is difficult for people born on Monday, then they get support from somewhere or the other. Now it's time for the advice. I will suggest Monday born people to wear white or light colored clothes and avoid dark colors. They should not waste water. They should meditate to calm their mind and follow a healthy lifestyle. These are simple tips but effective. So friends, with this I have come to the end of this video. Hope you will find this video useful and relatable. For more numerology lessons, stay tuned to my channel. Like, share and subscribe. That's what I want in return. Thank you.